Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach, and today we are painting a fender for my first gen RX7. If you guys saw the video a little while ago, I picked up a new fender for my RX7 because we accidentally lowered the engine onto the old one and kind of dented it and scratched it up. So that's going to get sent off to get fixed, but for the time being I'm going to need a fender, so I went and picked up another one. So we're going to run to Walmart, get some paint and supplies, and then we'll paint it. So
sanding block.
this man's asking what a fender is. I'm painting this section here.
The entire thing?
Yeah.
Well then why don't you match that?
Well, because it's gonna be just temporary.
Yeah,
Okay, so I don't think you're gonna be able to see it. I'll shine my brights on it. There it is. This FB is on Craigslist. It's a 84 RX7. Says garage kept, and it's out here in 10-degree weather. This is why you never trust Craigslist, guys. Pro tip from the pros. There you have it. The fender is all painted. It's looking nice. A little bit of shine there. Now the reason I painted it white instead of red is obviously this is going to be a temporary one while we get the other one fixed. As you guys saw, we crushed the other fender with the engine on accident. So this is just going to be a temporary one. And a long time ago I had an old white pickup truck that I let everyone sign the front fender, and I thought that'd be really cool, since this is just going to be a temporary one, to let people do that same thing. So when you guys see me at car meets, or if you see my car out and about or whatever, I'm just going to let people sign, draw on this one fender of the car. So it's kind of like it'll look like a sticker bomb almost, but it's with drawings and signatures and catchphrases and whatever. So I think it's really cool because it'll all mean something to someone, and it'll probably all mean something to me as well. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. Take care, guys.